Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, in this collection you see the amazing cake decoration ideas, amazing cakes with a beautiful chocolate cake. The chocolate cake looks so yum and light and amazing and creative. So guys, if you are interested in this type of videos, because as you know the cake look amazing, then your party looks so fantastic. So guys, if you are interested in beautiful cakes decoration, the celebration of Christmas, the celebration of Easter, the celebration of parties, the decoration are available. So watch the video to like the video and to share my videos. One of the best platform guys, one of the best creative and amazing ideas. So watch the video to like the video and to share my videos with your family and friends. One of the best platform guys, and please tell me which one is your favorite, which in comment box, which one is best, which one looks so amazing, and amazing ideas and amazing looks so creative. Watch the video to like the video to share the video with your family and friends. So keep watching, stay with me, watch the video to like the video, as well as the video is not stop, but watch the video and gain more ideas about the hair, about the cakes decoration, the chocolate cake, jump cake, and the cream cake. So keep watching, stay with me.